Okay, this is in the city of Denton where there was a downpour of heavy rain and some flooding in this area off the frontage road of 35 South. People pulled over. As you can see up on the freeway, they are traveling, the vehicles or cars are traveling really slow right now at this moment. Uh, Even on the other opposite side going toward Oklahoma 35, and on the side of on the opposite side, which is 35 South, the cars are moving at a good rate of speed, so everything is resumed now. The water has receded. It was flooding. It was all the way up here. It's gone back down. I mean, there was a whole bunch of water, and there was a lot of tension. We were a little frightened. Well, at least I was. I was a little frightened by all the heavy rain and downpour, the winds, and I went a couple of times away from the windows just because I was scared a little bit or apprehensive about it. But we survived the storm and didn't, and everything is resumed back to where it was. You can see that this is the aftermath right here. Let me give you a little bit of that. Cars, awesome. And this is where, in this location where it was flooding, right at 35, off of 35 at the frontage road right here. It's a lot of water right there, and now it is gone. We also had cars in this on this side of the business that is vacant now, but there's another restaurant here that pulled over and pulled in at all alongside right here to keep dry, to keep the heavy wet rains and wind from uh, impacting their travel. So yeah, I'm out here now. I'm reporting this story to you. I'm posting it on Facebook. Thank goodness everybody seems to be okay. There was a lot of on the freeway personnel moving back and forth, emergency personnel that is moving. Uh, didn't fire uh, uh, department that is were responding to calls as the weather was probably the culprit of them having to go up and respond to uh, emergency situations out here. Okay, Facebook, this is Ina. I'm telling you, it was very tense, and I'm happy to report that everything is good now. We can go back to resuming our normal driving activity or whatever you were planning to do this evening. You can go back to resuming to do that at this time. All right. Thank you. Bye.